I'm not taking a picture.
Poor little thing.
We gotta get it back up in the tree.
The mother won't have anything to do with it, though.
We gotta save it. Poor thing, when Jules had it in his mouth, gosh, he's gonna drown himself to death.
Lily, come here. Jules.
Get on the poor little bird. Stupid Jules. You can do it. Lily's not even attracted to this bird. I was stuck. And Jules like carried it.
Well, I don't think Jules did anything to it. I think it was already covered.
No. Jules had it in her mouth, squeezing it. Yeah, she picked it up and carried it over there.
I know, but I don't think she was squeezing it.
Yeah, because when she had it in her mouth, it was like, wah, wah, wah.
There must be a nest in this.
It probably all dropped out. I don't know. This poor little guy. Oh. Yeah.
Throw it across the road.
No, it's not. Jules! See, that's what she did to it.
Jules, no. No.
And then it gets flipped over. And it can't get back up.
No, Jules.
I don't know what's wrong with his feet. I think he's got broken
I
feet.
think his legs are broken, yeah.
Considering what Jules did, poor thing.